Hi everyone, my name is Nikolai Bilibin and I'm the tools programmer on the Datalist Project 5000. And this is our game Robbin Hook. It's a 2D grappling hook platformer where basically you traverse the level to steal a treasure at the end. But of course, it's not that simple. There are things like sentries, lasers, barbed wire, and a couple other things to stop you from reaching there. This game was a lot of fun to work on. We spent a long time working on it, but probably for every hour I worked on it, I probably spent as much playing it because it's really that fun. It's just a great thing when you enjoy a project, and it's great emphasis to work on the game. So, I'm here today to show you the in-game level editor. So, here it is. Like I said, it is in-game, so you can play and edit at the same time. So, I guess the best way to show this tool would be to create a level. So I'll hit new level here, and I will resize the grid to 100 by 50. Each level has a grid size to determine the size of every level. So I'll resize it and select a tile for making a boundary. So I'll go over here and make my boundary. We're making it so that the player doesn't fall out of the world. Make my HUD a little less so I can see more. And oops, made a mistake there. So of course, all level editors, they can create objects and delete objects. Left click to create, right click to delete. So go down here, keep on going, almost down. All right. So also another feature I added in here is undo and redo. So Control Z undoes everything, Control Y redos. So very simple. I don't have a button on the HUD for that, so I just decided to show that. So continue going, just go up now, just a little bit more, and there we go. So I'm going to show the HUD now. Yeah, now I just need a player. So there's my player. And I'll create him right here. So I'll explain a little bit about the HUD. So on the right, we have all the objects that we can create. All you do is click them, and once you click them, it shows up in the selected object box over here. So also we have all the objects grouped into different groups. We have the general objects in object mode, the tiles like the steel, the barbed wire, and the brick in the tile mode, and tutorial sprites like the things in our tutorial level describing our controls and are in the tutorial sprites tab. So we also have the ability to change the background. We currently have Seattle, but you could switch it to Tokyo, Paris, and Egypt. And I'll leave it on Egypt because it's my favorite one. All this was done by our artist Amia Meek, who did an amazing job, so kudos to her. And we also have the ability to change the background music, which I currently disabled so I can make this video. But overall, I promise you it works. All the music was done by Ben Scalefield, our graphics programmer slash game designer, and they sound really good. You can hear them in game. So other than that, of course, you've already seen I could show the HUD or hide the HUD, and I could hide or show the grid over here so you can see how it would look in game. So, and yeah, create the player. And yeah, so what I'm going to do here, if you can think back to cartoons, when a character has to get over a body of water, and conveniently there's a line of alligators all lined up, and the best way to get across is, well, run across alligators. Well, I'm going to take that idea and apply that to sentries instead of alligators, and our character's going to run across and try to reach the end of the level. So, get over here, just a little bit more. Yep, and here we are. And I'm going to make a little ledge. So if you hold control and click on an object, it's like an eyedropper tool, so it selects the currently selected tile or whatever object you click on. So I need a little reward at the end. I'm going to put a sparkly vase. Alright, now let's go over back where the character is. Alright, so once I turn off the level editor, everything starts working, and we can play the level. So here we go. And I'm running. I'm off. They're trying to get me. Ooh, I'm running back. Ooh, I'm playing fancy stuff. And, oh boy. And I made it. There we go. So, yeah, that's the level editor. It was a lot of fun to make, and it really helped in making levels. It was really easy to use, very intuitive, and it worked really well. So, thank you for watching, and have a great day.